Good morning, friend. Today we want to start one new lesson, that is algebraic expression, chapter number 9. So in chapter number 9 it is most important, related with 9th and 10th also. Algebraic is a algebraic word, it's a Greek word. Algebraic. Al-Khwarizm, there is a one word, and it convert into algebraic, Al-Khwarizm. Expression and identities we want to go in this lesson. So one word is express. So if I will how I describe maths, that is reference with expression, and some identities. Three things we have to: first, how to represent algebraic, we can write algebraic; second, expression; and then identities. So before we start algebraic identities, we have to go to the chapter main points. So important word related this chapter, important word or term related this chapter. First is express. If I will express like that, so it is expression. Afterward terms are there. We can say it is a term, it is a term. Monomial. Already you know these type of terms related 5th, 6th, 7th. So expression, term, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, like term, unlike term, coefficient, factors, and identities. Now, what is the meaning of expression? Expression are formed by using variable and constant. So, for any expression in maths, for algebraic expression, we use variables and constants. So now we have to see that what is variable and what is constant. So for example, x plus 3 is one type of expression. 2y minus 5 is also a expression. 3x square is also expression. 4x plus y, 4xy plus 7 is also expression. That is related with your text. If we take example of 2y minus 5, it is made up of y as the variable. So we have first identified where it is variable. So we have x, y, x square, xy. These are all the variable. And 2 and minus 5 are the as a constant. So from 0 to 9, we can use word as a constant. From 0 to 9, so we can infinite numbers we can use as a constant. From 0 to 9, that is already you have learned in first lecture: natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, and real number. That we can take as a constant. We can take root 2 also as a constant, but it should be in 9th standard. So expression first. What is expression? The expression is simple variable and constant. Expression means variable and constant is there. So variable we can use a to z. As a variable we can use a to z, and for constant 0 to 9, positive and negative number. Now terms are added to form expression. To make expression, what we have to use? Terms are added. So here there is a 5a plus b plus 90. So now it is a convert into a term. Here one term, here second term. Variable, constant. When joined, we can say it is a term. 56m cube plus 65 minus yz. We can write in different way. This way we can also write, that is 56m square plus 65 in bracket minus yz. Or we can write 56m cube plus 65 minus yz. Terms are commonly made up of one word: coefficient, variable, and constant. So one new word we have here, it is called coefficient. So 5ab plus 90. So what is a coefficient of ab? That is 5. It is called coefficient. And 9 is constant. Now we go for next Monomial. So already you know mono means one. Mono means one. An expression comparing only one term be known as a monomial. An expression comprising only one term is known as monomial. So 5x 2y square. You can also write in different way. 6mn 9ta minus 9q 10cd minus 11xyz. So these all are monomial term. Whether it should be constant also. We can say constant term, it is only constant, no variable is there, but it is also a monomial. Here negative 9 is there, so we can use as a monomial. Negative minus 9 is actually a coefficient, and q is a variable. Same thing when 90 is there, then a is variable and 90 is coefficient. Now binomial. So after monomial we come for binomial. An expression having two terms we will know say as a binomial. But someone says, sir, can we write constant with binomial? You can. 3x plus 5. But we cannot write like that. 3x plus 4x, it is not a binomial because it is a like term and it is a monomial. Variables must be not equal. You will see that. Variables with constant and coefficient, we can say bio means 2. So anyhow you have to write two terms. So 5k square minus, if I write 5k square again, then it is wrong. So we cannot write like that. So any expression with two terms, but again a plus b it is, 41 plus 5m it is, a plus 4 it is, 5 minus 3xy, yes it is, z square minus 4y it is, 7x square minus 4xy it is. But if I write 7x square plus 7x square, then it is not a binomial. Because we convert into it, we can say it is a monomial. So two terms you have to remember with different variable and power. You cannot write same power, you will see that. Different power, different variable. Here power 1, here power 1, here 1, 2, 1. An expression consists of three terms is said to be trinomial. Three terms. So a plus b plus c. 3a plus 3b, we can also write 3c. So how you are logically use your logic, that is important. 2x plus 3y minus 5, it is also a trinomial. If you will see here, the power is 3 at here and power is 1. Again power is 1, power is 3 and only 3. But we cannot total it. Someone say, can we count this? We cannot count it. All are different. We cannot add this. That is why it is under trinomial. 7x minus 4y plus 5. All are different. Two variables with one constant, and minus 4 and 7 is a coefficient. So 5xy, 9zy and 3zx. It is also a trinomial. So 5xy. Now 9zy plus 3zx. We cannot total it. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Can we write 7xyz? No, we cannot write it. So that is why it is under 3 term. Someone says, sir, that is a 3 term. It is not 3 term. It is only 1 term. Why? Power is same. Variable is also same. So we can add the coefficient and write 12x square. Now polynomial. In general, poly means many. Poly word means many. An expression containing one or more term with non-zero coefficient, with variable having non-negative exponent. Variable having non-negative exponent is called polynomial. If I write minus 2, equation with variable having non-negative polynomial. So we cannot write it. It is not a polynomial because it is under 1 upon x2. So non-zero coefficient. Zero coefficient is not a zero. If we cannot write 0 x square, then it is wrong. It is also not polynomial. So a plus b plus c plus d. A plus b plus c plus d and 3xy. One or more terms. So one term we can say also polynomial. Two term we can also say polynomial. Three term we can also say polynomial. And four term we can say also polynomial. One term, two term, three term, and four term we can say polynomial. So a plus b plus c plus d, again four term, 3xy, that is one term, but power is not negative here, power is positive. Polynomial may contain any number of terms, one or more. For example, now like term, that is most important, like term, because mostly students cannot identify what is like term. Always remember the power of these variables have to be same to be a like term. Coefficient of these like terms may or may not be same. Coefficient same नहीं होगा, लेकिन power है it should be same. Here 1 1 1 1. Here power 2, again here power 2. So all are like term. Now if question is like, it is like term, no, we cannot, so no like term. Why? Because power is not same. Power of this variable have to be same. Power must be same. Power must be same. Then we can say like term. Now unlike term, the term do not have the same variable, constant, are said to be unlike. The term do not have the same variable. Variable is not same. They are different. In unlike term, the power and the coefficient of the variable may or may not be same. वो power same हो सकते हैं, लेकिन variable same नहीं. X square and 8y square. So we can say unlike term. Power is same, but variable is not same. So variable not same. That is unlike term. So we can do the addition of like term, subtraction of like term, but we cannot do addition, subtraction of unlike term. Now coefficient. The numerical factor of a term is called its numerical coefficient or simply coefficient. The numerical factor of a term, कोई भी term का जो numerical factor रहेगा उसे कहेंगे numerical coefficient or simple coefficient. So 7xy, so 7 we can say as a coefficient, and xy we can say variable. In 5t, so minus 5 is there, that is coefficient. Here it is t. T is variable. Minus 6, that is coefficient. AB, that is variable. 32, again coefficient. Mn, again variable. Minus 98, again coefficient. Pk, that is variable. So coefficient, always remember, because in like term we have to do the addition of coefficient. 7x square plus 21x square. So they are like term. So just we have to add the coefficient of. That is why you have to identify who is called coefficient. Now factor. These are all the terms related with your text. So factor terms themselves can be formed as the product of factor. 14x. The first factor is 14 and second factor is x. 11, that is first factor. J, that is second factor. 5x, we can say minus 5 is a factor and x is a second factor. 10, so we can write N, O, and P. Now important thing is addition of algebraic expression. So when it is possible, it is only possible for like term. Always remember, like term we can do addition or subtraction, but unlike term we cannot do it anything. So addition of algebraic expression, there are two common method by which we can add algebraic expression. One is called horizontal, and another one method is called horizontal, another is called vertical. Two methods we are use, but it is only possible addition and subtraction if they are like term. So now we will solve the following problem by both the method in the next two slides. So if just I am trying it here, horizontal and vertical. So 7xy plus 5yz, it's your textbook type sum. 3zx. Now plus 4yz. So I have to write it here plus 4yz. Plus 9zx. I have to write plus 9zx. Minus 4y. So it is not included here because it is unlike. Minus 2xy. So I have to write it minus 2xy. Minus 3zx plus 5x. That is called vertical method. Now here that is 5xy. Here we can say plus 9yz. Here plus minus minus 9 minus 3, that is 6. Again plus minus minus, that is plus 3zx. Minus 4y plus 5x. That way we can get calculation. Let me see that in next slide how they are doing the same thing. So whatever we get answer, that is a. Write the term of first bracket. So 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx plus 4y minus 9zx minus 4y minus 2xy minus 3zx plus 5x. So plus minus minus, that is why 5 here. Now both coefficient are plus. So plus plus plus, that is why 9. Here minus 3 plus 9 minus 3. So first minus minus plus, that is minus 6 plus 9, that is plus 3. They are unlike terms, so we cannot do anything. So that is a correct answer, whatever we have solved. Now, so here in first method, that is called vertical. Now in horizontal method, it is called horizontal. Write the question in one line, open the bracket taking care of sign. When open the bracket, the next step is to bring all like terms together. So we can do only addition, subtraction. Again I am writing addition and subtraction of like term only. So opening the bracket, there are 7xy, afterwards 7xy here, 2xy. So I am writing 7xy minus 2x. So it is a horizontal method. It is called horizontal method. Afterward, like term, I have to find out 5yz, 4yz. So that is 9. Afterward, minus 3zx. Again, plus 9zx minus 3zx. So if we simplify, we can get 3yz. Here 5, here 9. and these two are unlike term, we cannot do it here. So here we have to write 5x. So that is a second method. That is addition and subtraction of only like term with power, always remember. Now subtraction of algebraic expression. So again subtraction, there are two methods. Simple we are, if one is called horizontal, another is called vertical. In vertical and horizontal, so vertical I am writing first horizontal. Now 4a, that is plus minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now here negative sign is there, so I have changed the sign. Now we have to simplify. All are like term. So plus minus, here now it is minus. So here it is plus, plus minus minus, that is 8a. Again here it is minus, here it is plus, again plus minus minus. So 2ab, but big term is negative, so I have to put negative sign. Here a big term is 12, so I have to put positive sign. Again plus 5 minus 3, that is plus 2b. Now here it is same sign, minus 3 minus 12, minus minus plus. Now in horizontal way what they are doing? So in horizontal way, open the bracket first. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now I open the bracket first. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus 4a plus 7ab minus 3b minus 12. Now variable I have to, so these are all the same variable. That is important. 9ab plus 7ab plus 5b minus 3b minus 3 minus 12. So if simplify this, we can get 8a. If I simplify this, we can get minus 2ab. If I simplify this, I will get plus 2b. And if I simplify this, I will get minus 15. So both way we can get same answer, either vertical or horizontal. So now we see in next slide how they are doing. So we can get correct answer. So 12 minus 4, that is 8. 9ab plus 7, that is 2. So minus 2ab. That is called, always open the bracket, change the sign. So 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. That is called vertical. It is called vertical method. Now in next, it is horizontal method. So first I open the bracket and make like term. We can get 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Again, write the question in one line, open the bracket, taking care of sign. When open the bracket, the next step is to bring all the like term together. That is important. And then last step is to solve the problem. So now we have to ready for solve the exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1 solve करने के लिए हम लोग ready हैं. So next slide we go for exercise 9.1. Sorry, not a. We go for exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. So in next video we can complete the exercise 9.1.